Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious BBQ sauce for pork chops. First, combine 1 1/2 cups of ketchup with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar in a saucepan. Next, add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. This base creates a rich, flavorful foundation for your sauce. Now let's personalize your BBQ sauce. If you prefer a sweeter profile, add an extra tablespoon of brown sugar or a touch of maple syrup. For a tangier sauce, increase the apple cider vinegar by 1 or 2 tablespoons. To introduce a smoky depth, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. You can also experiment with different hot sauces to control the spice level, making it perfectly suited to your taste preferences. Once your ingredients are combined, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it thickens to your desired consistency. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After cooking, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool completely. Store your delicious homemade BBQ sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Finally, it's time to enjoy your incredible homemade BBQ sauce with pork chops. For best results, brush the sauce onto your pork chops during the last 10 to 15 minutes of grilling or baking. This prevents burning and allows the sauce to caramelize perfectly. Remember to serve extra sauce on the side for those who love to dip. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.